What's good, wealth builders? It's the man, it's the myth, the wealth builder himself, Devon, put in work, Burke. And today we're talking about Prodvigate review, the good, the bad, the ugly, the wealth builder's way. So let's go. Okay, before we get started, make sure you subscribe to the channel and share this video because we talk about making more money, saving more money, building a better you and business. So without further ado, let's get to the topic on hand. Prodvigate review, the good, the bad, the ugly. Okay, so this is my whole review of Prodvigate and if you should or shouldn't use this service to build your YouTube channel. Okay, now let me break down what Prodvigate is or isn't. It's a YouTube video promotion site. It will take your videos and promote them on YouTube for you while you focus on producing more and more and more content, right? Okay, it will help you expand your reach as a YouTuber and not have to only rely on YouTube's algorithm. Okay, it's not a company that focuses on getting you a certain amount of subscribers or anything like that though, okay? Let's keep that in mind. You would get a certain amount of views to your newest videos, and once other subscribers see the number of views, you will potentially gain more subscribers in the long run. So it's not a quick fix, it's more of a long-term fix for building your channel. Okay, Prodvigate promotes your channel by promoting your videos on YouTube. They use Google in-feed video ads only. The ads are shown in the recommended section of YouTube search results when somebody is searching for similar content and on the main page of YouTube's mobile platform. Okay, now this is a great way to get real interested subscribers that will tend to watch your videos and not just be another number. Okay, there is nothing worse than having a bunch of subscribers and not have anyone actually watching your videos and leaving comments on your channel. Okay, you don't want that kind of smoke. Okay, you don't want that kind of energy on your channel. You want the real thing. Okay, there's been people out there that actually have fake subscribers and just people subscribing just to subscribe, and they end up not making the real money that they could have made if they actually just got some real deal subscribers. Now, what I don't like about Prodvigate is the cost per week. It's $49 per week. Okay, you don't have to pay it every week though. You can literally just do it once a month. Like you can do it on your own terms, okay, when you have the money. All right, so say like if you don't have the money one week, then you stop the program. If you have the money every week, then you start the program. It's up to you. It's what your budget can consist of. Okay, but for me, $49 a week is a little, much for a new YouTuber. But all in all, I give this service a 4.5 out of 5 stars. It works and very useful, but a little pricey for the struggling marketer or YouTuber. If you want to learn more about Prodvigate, then check out the link in the description. And yes, it's an affiliate link. And yes, you can subscribe to that link, get started today, and use their service. Until next time, wealth builders, it's the man, it's the myth, the wealth builder himself, Devon, put in work, Burke, signing off for my Prodvigate review, the wealth builder's way. Do remember, wealth builders, make more, save more, build more. Peace.